Hello everyone, my name is Jafir and today we are going to learn Abacus. So you can call me your Abacus teacher. Before starting our first lesson, you can go through my Abacus introduction video. In that video, I have covered what is Abacus, the benefits and importance of Abacus, and I will mention the link in the description below. Let's start with our first lesson. In our first lesson, we are going to learn Abacus in 3 methods: fingering theory, Abacus theory, and mental theory. Here I have an abacus and we are going to learn the parts of an abacus. This outer wood layer is called the frame. This is called the answer line, and the dots on here are used for decimal addition and subtraction. These are the columns to hold the beads, and this is the lower beads and this is the upper bead. Now we are going to learn the names of the fingers and how to hold a pencil using an abacus. This is the thumb, this is the index finger, this is the middle finger, this is the ring finger, and this is the little finger. Now I'm going to show you how to hold a pencil in abacus. So we are going to put our ring finger here and our little finger here, and this is how it looks while holding a pencil. We use our left hand to hold the abacus and our right hand to pick up the beads. Our thumb is used to pick up these green beads for addition, and our index finger is to lower the beads for subtraction. The middle finger is used to add the red beads or subtract red beads. Now we are going to learn fingering theory. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and now you are wondering where is 5. In abacus, we call this magic 5. So, magic 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In fingering theory, my right hand holds until 1 to 9. And in my left hand holds up till 10 to 19. For better understanding, let's count together. First my turn, then yours. I'll count slowly and fastly. First I'm going to count slowly, so you have to keep up with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, magic 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I'm going to do fastly, so you can try to keep up with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, magic 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You have understood, because now we are going to do abacus theory. I'm going to draw one on the board. In abacus, 1 is just 1 green bead. In abacus 2, it's just 2 green beads. I think you can understand where I'm going with this. I'm just going to keep adding more and more beads. So for 3, I'm going to add 3 beads. And for 4, I'm just going to add 4 beads. Now for 5, are we just going to add 1 red bead, or are we going to add 1 red bead and 4 green beads? I can't hear you. Say louder. You're right. It's 1 red bead. So I'm going to add 1 red 6, I'm going to add 1 red bead and 1 green bead. For 7, I'm going to add 2 green beads. And 1 red bead. For 8, I'm going to do 1 red bead and 3 green beads. Okay, so how many beads do we need for 5? We need 1 red bead. For 6, we need 1 red bead and 1 green bead. For 7, we need 1 red bead and 2 green beads. And for 8, we need 1 red bead and 3 green beads. Now, I'm going to do 9. For 9, it is 1 red bead and then 4 green beads. So 9 is 4 green beads and 1 red bead. Now for 10, you're wondering how do we do 10 in the abacus? Well, it's really simple. The unit sign goes here and the 10 sign goes here. So when we're going to do 10, 10 goes on to the left side. Now repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So in today's class, we have learned parts of abacus, how to hold pencil in abacus, fingers names, fingering theory, and abacus theory. See you in our next class to learn more abacus. And don't forget to practice at home.